Hello student. Today we are going to continue our previous chapter from geography. Question number 2. What is meant by the sustainable development and what are the principles of sustainable development? First of all, we must know the meaning of the sustainable development. What is sustainable development? Okay, balancing the need to use resources and also conserving them for the future is called sustainable development. It means that the balancing between our resources and their uses. You can take one example, then you can easily understand that the meaning of the sustainable development. Suppose that our parents spend money for present to fulfill our requirements, and also they are saving money for future. It means they are balancing between present spend and the future saving money. Okay, understand? And principle of sustainable development. What is the principle? Okay, first principle is our respect and care for all forms of life. It means we must respect human beings or animals' lives. Okay, we must respect the human and also animals' life. Okay, and our second point is improving the quality of human lives. It means that we must improve our lives, quality of lives. It means we must know the importance of the resources. Okay, and our third point is conserving the earth vitalities and diversity. It means earth vitality means earth importance, earth life. Okay, and diversity means difference. Minimizing the, and the next point is minimizing the depletion of natural resources. It means we must minimize. Depletion means to finish. Okay, to natural resources. We must minimize the especially non-renewable resources like fossil fuels, okay, coal and petroleum. We must minimize their uses. Okay, and the next point is changing personal attitude and practices towards environment. It means we must know the value of our environment and clean environment. Okay, and the last point is your enabling community to care for their own environment. It means community means group. Okay, and group to be strength, to be must know their own environment. If our environment is clean, that our life is will be clean. Okay, and here is your assignment 1, and old student already know assignment is attached in your book last, that you must to do the assignment also in your copy. Okay, first fill in the blanks. Coal and petroleum are forms of fossil fuels. Okay, and the second, The stock of resources for future use is called potential resources. Okay, potential resources means that they have potential but yet it is not used. This is called potential resources. Okay, biotic resources are substance obtained from living things. Biotic resources means living things like plant, like animal. Okay, abiotic resources are obtained from livestock. That the abiotics is just opposite of biotic. Okay, mineral resources are extracted from deep beneath the earth. You know the mineral, how they extract from the earth. Come to our next question, and true and false. Okay, first, agricultural resources include animals product. Is it false? Yes, false. Agriculture, you know the agricultural resources. Okay, and the next, world resources are the sum total of resources of all countries. True. And the next one, the stock of resources for future are called actual resources. No, it is false. Okay, and land is an abiotic resources. True, land is abiotic resources. It is non-living, that's why it is a abiotic resources. And the next one is afforestation result in decrease of vegetation cover. You know the meaning of afforestation? When planting too many plants in any area, then how can they decrease of vegetation cover? So it is false. Okay, and next one is your match the following. Match the following. First, forest. Forest is biotic resources. Okay, and the minerals, abiotic resources. Sunlight, what is sunlight? Clothes resources. Meat, then the where we get from meat, animals, and it is called pastoral resources. Clothes, everybody know that the clothes is man-made resources. Okay, so you have to do all these question, matching true false, detailed question in your copy, and here is your homework. Same, you have to write all these things, today's content. Write question number F2, it means detailed question, and assignment 1 in copy. Thank you.